Welcome everyone to the next lecture of IELTS preparation. Our today topic is IELTS listening diagram labeling tips and maps diagram. This is a question type in IELTS listening, but before jumping to this question, I am suggesting strongly that you should not start practicing of questions directly, but first you have to follow certain strategies and tips in order to attempt those things in a more better way. Directly starting questions and not preparing any strategy tips and any information about certain kind of questions in listening is of no use and will not benefit you at all. For labeling diagram and map diagrams, I have few strategies. I have personally applied those strategies, so I'm recommending you these strategies to follow in order to attempt the question correctly. So our today topic are about diagram labeling tips and maps diagram. So remember, before listening, rapidly go through major parts of the map and diagram. You will be given 30 seconds. So in those 30 seconds, directly go to the major parts of the maps and diagrams and see it that what's the information in it, where is the question numbers in it, what are the arrows, locate where are the arrows going, and you should also familiarize yourself with overall summary of the diagram and map. You have to locate question number in the map and try to think about it, where is which question number. The question numbers in the map or the diagram is not in order and they will be distributed randomly, so you have to find out and think about it, that where is which question numbers. You have to think about it that, let's suppose first number question is in the up section, 3 number is in the down, 2 number is in the left, 4 number is in the right. So you will be familiarized with where is the question number, so you will answer accordingly to it. As this is the most difficult part, you will not get an ordered question numbers, you will get an random question number, so that's why it's difficult. So try to familiarize where is which question number. Always make sure to underline the starting point so that you do not lose flow in the recording. Most of the students lose control and get the answers wrong because of the reason that they are unable to pick the starting point from where we should start. For example, if there is a map or diagram and in the question the speaker is starting from a certain point in the diagram or in the map, so in that case you must have to be able to pick the starting point in the recording. If you are not able to pick the starting point, in that case all of your answer would be wrong. In some cases you will get one or two questions right, so and those are also random answers, and those would be a luck, but you will be unable to go smoothly and take a flow. So try to pick the starting point correctly. Identifying where arrows are will also help you, as you would follow direction. There are arrows which shows the direction in map and diagram as well, so in that case try to analyze the arrows and try to see where the arrows are going, so you will get the direction correctly and you will go with the recording in a right way. Try to predict the answers, which may be a noun, adjective and adverb. Remember that in most cases the answers are in noun, adjective, adverb, so try to predict the answers, like try to think about what would be the answers. You have to listen to the recording and you have to see the question, that this is the question number 3 and in front of it there is a dash, so you should read the sentence of question number 3 in the map or diagram, and then you will predict that there that answer might be noun, the answer might be adjective, the answer might be adverb. Like the sentence, like from the sentence you will be able to predict that either the answer would be noun, adjective or adverb. You can do this prediction with the sentence by reading the sentence in the map or diagram. Always underline different keywords in the map and diagram. When you have 30 seconds, in those 30 seconds try to underline important keywords like nouns, adjectives, important dates, etc., names, so it will eventually help you. This is because of the reason that in recording you will listen to those keywords up to some extent. So if you listen to those keywords and you have underlined it in your map and diagram, so in that case when you listen to the recording and when you see your underlined keyword, you will be able to answer it correctly and in a better way. In such questions, in maps and diagrams labeling, bear in mind that directions and poles are really important. West, east, south, and north poles. These are really important. You have to be familiarized with where is the west, where is the east, south, and north poles. You have to have a sketch in your mind about west, east, north, and south poles, because the speaker in the speech will say that, for example, that the car is going to the west and then taking a right and then going to the north. So you will have to familiarize yourself with poles. The speaker may use the language you should keep in mind, such as northeast, northwest, northeast, and northwest regions. So, what are they? How you have to know that where is northeast, where is northwest, where is southeast, where is southwest? I will tell you this thing in the last slide by a proper diagram. So, keeping this in mind may significantly help you in locating information in different sections on the map. For example, the speaker may say that you should take a right turn, then a left, and take then a right, and then in the northwest there is a home. So in that case, how you will find that where is northwest? So there is a proper strategy I will tell you in the last of the slide. Speaker may also say that in the southwest region there is a home or a library. So how you will find that where is southwest? By looking to the diagram or the map, you have to sketch out that this is the southwest, this is the southeast, this is the northeast, east, this is the northwest. So try to sketch out those locations. Also study direction related vocabulary such as right, left, upward, downward. Most of the students are not aware and are unable to manage the directions. So in that case, try to learn those vocabularies. There is usually extra information in the recording, which may be a reason for losing your concentration. Sometimes in the recording, the speaker will try to lose your attention, and the speaker would start the conversation, which would be extra and which would not be useful. Sometimes he may start from a point and then he will say extra information in between the speech, so you will not get to the second question and you will think that why the second question is not coming. But in that case and in that duration you have to keep attention, because those extra information is just to make your attention lost. So don't lose your attention and keep focused in that duration. One another important point is you will not listen to exactly the same wording in the recording. You have to think about synonyms, like the answers and like for example the text in the map or diagram would not be similar to what the speaker is saying in the recording. He may use synonym instead of the words which is in a question in the map or diagram. So try to think about synonyms. Like for example, there might be a word in the map or diagram that important word might be in the map or diagram, and the speaker would not say important, he may say crucial, critical. So crucial and critical are the synonyms of important. So try to learn some synonyms as well. Some critical language or important language about labeling diagram and maps are upward, downward, right, left, north, south, east, west, northeastern, northwestern, southeastern, southwestern, above, below, inside, outside, opposite, in front of, at the bottom, at the top. Now, let's jump to this diagram. You can see that I have west, east, north, and south poles diagram. So you have to keep this diagram in your mind before attempting such question. If you keep this diagram in your mind, I am guaranteeing you that your all of the questions answers would be right in this question type. So this is the west, this is the east, this is the north, this is the south. West, east, north, south. So try to keep in mind west, east, north, and south. Now what is this location? This is northwest. Northwest. This is northeast. This is northeast. Now you have to come here. You have to use this and this south one, north and south one. Now what is this? South, west, southwest, southeast, southeast. So when the speaker said that the home or library is in the northeast, so you have to keep this in mind. So if this is a diagram, let's suppose labeling or map diagram, so this is your northeast, this is your northwest, and if he said southeast, so southeast is here, southwest is here. So I hope guys that it will help you a lot. If it helps you, then please subscribe it, like it, and share it with your friends. Take care and bye for now.